It is time to step inside Colleen's mind and go inside the deepest, darkest parts of her world. And now, here she is, your host, Colleen. Hey, what's up, everybody? And welcome back to Inside My Mind. Okay, I know I look as white as a she's right now, but trust me when I say it's just the reflection of the window. I'm really not that thick. In today's post, I am going to do kind of a hard punch of information. Um, to start things off, um, you probably know that today is Saturday, and if you've been a viewer for a while, you probably see that today is not my regular posting schedule. Well, you are correct. I wanted to explain once again, in case you didn't get the live yesterday, why I wasn't on when I said I would be. Well, the truth is, I wasn't aware that in order to go live, you had to have certain amount of subscribers, and um on to my uh not to my disappointment. Not I wasn't disappointed, but to my discouragement, we are not at that number yet. So sorry about that. So for the rest of our time, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what I mentioned yesterday. Don't worry, I plan to put a link to my personal Facebook page in the description below. So you can watch the complete live on there. But what I did talk about was faith, and no matter how small yeah, that's what I talked about. I also wanted to say hello to any new subscribers, and I wanted to touch base with you guys to see if you have any ideas for upcoming videos. I know I say that a lot, but quite frankly, I would like to interact with you as much as possible. So, if you have a suggestion to do an upcoming video, then please let me know, because I might do it. I also wanted to spend the last 4 minutes by doing something really strange. It's gonna sound really weird, but happy birthday to you. We interrupt this program to tell you that yes, your host actually thought it was your birthday. And when I said that it was your birthday, I mean the anniversary of when I started this channel. But my forgetfulness, I discovered that it's not until later on this month. So please, be on the lookout for that video. I hope you enjoyed this hodgepodge of information. Again, go check out the link below to see the full live. And if you haven't yet, be sure and hit that subscribe button, because if you do, you'll never miss a beat. And if you would, please share this video with your friends to get the winner. Until next time, this is Colleen for Inside My Mind. I'll see you later. Bye.